Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make dawa jollof. Let's get started. I have my pan. To that I have added some oil and my chopped onions. After the onions fry for some minutes, I just add my dawa powder and I'll give it a quick stir and let it fry for some few minutes before I add any other ingredient. I now add my tomato paste. In this recipe I'm not going to add pepper to it. I'm making it for my kids to take it to school, so I'm just going to make it this way. I added my powdered fish and I'm adding stock cube and some mixed spices. I then add my water and I'll cover it to boil, and I'll add my washed rice and I give it a stir and I'll cover it and allow it to cook. After 10 to 15 minutes, I'll open it up to check on how it has cooked, and I'll add some water to it again and I'll cover it for it to cook for additional minutes. Please, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, and to my old subscribers, thank you for always watching my videos. My dawa jollof is ready to be served for my kids to take it to school. I hope you also try some and let me know how yours went. Have a nice day. Bye.